Hello, my name is Sadie Stepanovich, and this is my Block 3 presentation. Today I will talk about IT jobs, computer security, and ethics in IT. It's a large field that is a very important thing, since computers are what our world is centered around. Everyone owns some sort of computer system or has access to a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. Since there are so many of these devices, there's a need for IT people to assist, create, fix, sell, and research these devices. Here is an overview of what I will be talking about. First, what is IT? IT, which stands for Information Technology, is the application of computers and telecommunications equipment to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data, often in the context of a business or other enterprise. Some people think it is a synonym for computer or computer hardware, but it is more than that because it can expand to telephones or television. It talks about the new technology that computers are always advancing. IT offers a large pool of jobs. A list of them is applications developer, database administrator, games developer, geographical information systems officer, information systems manager, IT consultant, IT sales professional, IT technical officer, multimedia programmer, multimedia specialist, network engineer, systems analysis, systems developer, technical author, web designer, and more. Just to focus on some of these jobs, an applications developer is a person who translates software requirements into workable programming code and maintains and develops programs for use in business. Another job, which is a games developer, is involved in the creation and production of games. An IT sales professional deals with customers and selling all things technical. These jobs are just examples of what IT people can do in the workforce. There's actually a large number of jobs to go into the knowledge of IT. It is obvious because computers are the new technology that everyone is involved in because that is the device that operates our world. Information security is the security of technological smart devices such as computers, tablets, phones, and more. There are three types of computer security. Physical security is guarding the physical computers. This can be shown putting locks on doors or guarding a room filled with computers or things like that. Another type is computer security. This is protecting what's actually on the computer, storage and changing your settings to keep the unwanted people out of your stuff. Network security is protecting the computer from viruses with preventative systems and firewalls. Next, ethics in IT is a large part of the IT world. It is important for anyone working in the IT world to understand the ethics behind computers and computer hardware. First, there's the issue there's the question of whether a person is able to access data. Does that mean they are justifiable to use it? Also, how much effort and expense managers should use to control their privacy. Since the internet is so full of information, some people think that just because they can get that information means that it's theirs for the seeing and sharing. But this is not true to some people because some information is private. Second, this deals with things like non-disclosure when employees are going to work for another firm. Going along with this, deciding whether some knowledge of information an employee knows is their personal knowledge of IT or is it something from the company. This kind of question is dealt with in ethics. Third, there's the issue of control. These issues come about when talking about violating employee privacy and monitoring behaviors and such. Fourth, accuracy is a major ethical concern. Accuracy errors are made all the time, and there is question of ethics behind whose fault it is. Last is the issue of security. Who is liable for exposing managers and organizations? Questions like all the time in the IT world when it comes to ethics and morals. There's a lot to understand about the IT world and what it entails. A lot of people just write it off to be something that deals with a person sitting behind a computer desk decoding a bunch of stuff. But that is not the whole part of IT. It is so much more than that. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of IT jobs, information technology, and ethics in IT. Thank you.